Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my God. I 100% just hit that bird. Hey, yo, out here in beautiful San Diego at the beach with a Kuberg electric pit bike. This is the X-Force Pro 50 12 kilowatt youth electric pit bike, but it is more than powerful enough to carry an adult. It goes 40 miles an hour running 12 kilowatts, weighing in at about 60 pounds. It's got D&M front forks, not unlike a Sur Ronster. It's got the Kuberg classic go-kart chain, nice dirt wheels, a handbrake for the front, foot brake for the rear. This bike looks sick. I cannot wait to try it. Let's check it out. Before we get going, I would like to quickly thank the sponsor of this video, Surfshark VPN. Every time you connect to the internet, your personal information is up for grabs. Surfshark VPN encrypts all your information, making it impossible for bad guys to track your activity. That means you can connect to public Wi-Fi without worrying about Ski Mask over here knowing what you Googled last week. But I know what you Googled last week. You dirty motherfucker. In addition, you can change your IP address to be anywhere in the world. That means you can bypass the geo-blockers that limit the content and accessibility to your favorite websites like Netflix and Amazon. For example, Rick and Morty is not on Netflix in the United States. All I have to do is change my IP address to Australia, and now I have full access to Rick and Morty on Netflix. That means with Surfshark VPN, you have access to the entire world's content no matter where you live. Surfshark proudly has a no-log policy, which means they do not record any of your activity or information. That means all your private information vanishes, just like your money after buying a Sur Ronster. Get Surfshark VPN at the link down below with discount code Sur Ronster for 83% off and 3 free months. Thank you, Surfshark VPN, for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. On the X-Force 50. Oh, a little bomb drop?
Should I?
It's a great help.
Yeah, like who's the best in the world? 3 and 4 years old. 4-year-old Mr. Crazy Moto guy.
I know kids who ride this thing pretty good. Oh.
Yeah, that's really in this one or what?
Yeah, this and that, and like, yeah, it's just badass, man.
Fuck yeah, that thing's badass looking.
He loves the bikes. Oh. Hill climb, urban hill climb. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Dude, I feel so bad about that. I tore it up.
It looks sick as fuck.
What? Tore what up? It didn't hurt nothing.
I can't even see it, actually.
Dude, these bums are pooping in it. You irrigated it.
Okay, I got a local that condones it, so that makes me feel better.
Yeah, that's so true.
Do it all day long. It's okay.
My man.
That thing works. That's bitchin'. You get a start at it. That's a good hill. That's cool.
We're probably not the first people to send it up there.
No. Might be, but I mean, the bums are worse than you guys.
Oh my God.
You guys aren't tearing nothing up.
I'm one house away from being a bums.
Away from being a bum, that's so...
Thanks for the good energy, dude. You take it easy, all right? Have a good one. Let's skedaddle. Ooh, this thing's sick. Yeah, dude, I got everything on video.
No way.
Yeah, of course. All right, let's. Which way should we send it? I'm still on yellow, so maybe we'll go that way.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh my God! I 100% just hit that bird.
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh my God.
Where'd you get hit?
On my knee and my hand.
Oh, I wonder if it came out.
I was like, birds are really good at getting out of the way just in time. I assumed it would be out of the way.
Did you see the puff of feathers?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
so
yeah, dude. 60, this one's the prototype, and it goes 65. But
That's so
production-
funny. He's like, dude, they need to go right on the freeway. They're good to go.
And then the production's gonna be 85.
That's nuts.
Yeah, I put this thing in the back of my van. It's 140 pounds. So it's like, it's no smell, no nothing.
How much money was it?
Well, I actually work with the company Landmoto. This is the prototype. This is one of 7. They brought it, it's made in Ohio.
Full throttle. Full throttle. Where's it been? I'm out. So it's low battery right now. It's on yellow. It doesn't have a battery reading. They're either green, yellow, or red. So I'm yellow right now. So I'm probably hitting like 35. It's supposed to top out at 40. Honestly, this is so much fun. It is so much power for this form factor. I already lost the Landmoto. Gotta go back. Good suspension. Great throttle response. I'm a huge fan of this bike. I hit it. Boom! Yeah. Oh, I want to go on the sand so bad. I bet this would tear it up. The sand's... e-bikes don't like sand. Okay, just a little bit. I'm out. Woo. You got it, bro. Keep pedaling. Come on. Can't relate.
So much power off the line.
Do that again?
Whoa!
The loop out. That's power.
Yeah. Boom.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah, dog.
That was a crazy review. I can't believe I hit a seagull. I'm sorry. And I just want to say shout out to Kuberg, California for letting me try out this bike. If you're interested in learning more about it, go ahead and check them out. Their links are in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm all night.